So good evening, a pleasant good afternoon, good evening. This is Focus on Liberia TV. I'm standing right at the intersection of Broad and Randall Street. See how it looks like. The water has taken over here. I'm told by some of the sellers here that it's caused by block sewer lines. The last time I was here, I did some live video, but see how it looks like. This is Broad and Randall intersection. The entire place blocked with water. In Liberia, we say, poop water, poop water, poop water. What is the beginning of what I am again? You selling here too? Okay, so folks, so interesting. The water has taken over Broad and Randall intersection. Both pedestrian and motorists trying to find their way through. I just thought to do the very short video. Again, this is Broad and Randall intersection. It's raining. This is June. Today is just the 6th of June. And this is how the place looks like. I do not know what will happen when the rain intensifies. Because we have June, July, August, September. Those are serious rainy season months in Liberia, according to our calendar. The rainy season starts in May and October. So here you have it, and of course people making their way. Wow. Oh yes. That's it. That's it right there. It's making its way. This is Liberia folk. This is Broad Street. As you can see, this is Broad and Randall Street intersection. So interesting here. I just thought to do this short video. Yes. And so folks, if you just joining, this is Focus on Liberia TV. We're here at Broad and Randall intersection, and you see the heavy downpour of rain. This is how the place looks like, and this is people trying to find their way, motorists finding their way, and pedestrians can just walk in the water. I was here a few days ago. I was bringing I did live video here. You saw it, and so I do not know how the place will be like in the next months. So I just thought it would be a very short video. Thanks for following me. We're going to be here another time. But thanks for following me. Thanks for joining. My name is Prince. Alright folks, so this is how we're going to call it a day on this live. Thanks for following me. Bye bye.